G'day guys, it is Tommy here from Raw Blend, and it is springtime in Australia, so I'm making you a beautiful green juice recipe in the Greenstar Pro Juicer. This is my Grinning Green Juice. Okay, so smiles all around when I drink this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. So I just want to talk to you about the Greenstar Pro very quickly. This is Greenstar's top of the line model. They angle it as a model for commercial use, for professional use, but I use it at home. We actually sell more for home use than commercial use. It relies on these heavy twin gears. Alright, these have bioceramic and magnetic technology in the gears, which will actually keep my juice alive and fresher for longer, which means I only have to juice, every second or third day, and it'll last in the fridge and still taste really, really good. So that's what's doing all the heavy duty work. We're going to put the rest of our components in place here. My safety hood in place. Let's get juicing. So I'm just going to switch on the Greenstar. Let's go. So I'm just going to put in one apple, a green apple, and we need to push the ingredients into the gears. I've got some beautiful fresh pineapple with the core. You don't have to worry about taking the core out. We've got some zucchini with the stem. Throw it straight in. And we have some beautiful cucumber, once again with that stem. In it goes. A little bit of kale here, really dark leafy green, very, very nutritious, very good for you. And also some broccoli, packed with nutrition, vitamins, minerals. I've also got some mint and some spinach here. I'm going to give that a really nice spring flavor, that mint. Alright, so we can see that juice coming out of the base here, and it's going to expel the pulp out the discharge here. And what you'll notice with the Greenstar, you're going to get a really dry pulp. You can see I haven't even got much pulp come out yet compared to how much juice has already come out. Alright, we have finished juicing. How simple was that? So it only took me a couple of minutes, and I've got basically a litre of beautiful green juice here. You will get a little bit of froth on top. You're juicing cucumber and pineapple, and look at that, absolutely beautiful. I'm going to try some of that. I cannot wait to try this. Just get a little bit in here. Grinning green juice. Absolutely beautiful, just tastes so fresh and delicious. Happy juicing.